Hey, Whitebeard Ann here, and today I'm joined with my daughter Alexa, and she's going to show me how to make slime because it's one of her favorite things she likes to do. So, this is the stuff you need to make slime. Tell us what we need to do, Alex.
Okay, so pick the glue you want to use.
Alright, let's just use straight up regular glue today.
Okay.
Alright, so any glue, right?
This glue.
Any washable glue? Any school glue?
Okay, so you have to just pour in your glue first.
Alright, how we measure it now? You just squirt it in? Like how would you do it by eye? Like
I just do how much I want.
Alright, let's see. Oh, so it's about how much you want to make. Is this the most important piece of making the slime?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go.
Okay.
Alright, let's use the whole bottle. We might as well use the whole bottle.
Okay.
Alright, so if you're following along at home, you'll need 1 4-ounce bottle of glue. Let's start there.
No, you can use a gallon of glue.
I'm sure you could use a gallon, but we're going to make it for our purposes today. We started with 1 4-ounce bottle of glue. Alright, I think that's all of it. Okay. Get all that. Oh, that's good. Alright, what's the next ingredient that we got to put in?
Okay, next you put in shaving cream.
Shaving cream. Now, how much is this? Where all my shaving cream's gone? Is this why I had to grow a beard? Because I no longer had shaving cream available to me in the house. Somebody use all the shaving cream.
Okay, you can add as much shaving cream as you like.
What do you mean, as much as I like? Like how?
Here, and it makes it bigger.
So the more of shaving cream, the more fluffier it
But
gets.
if you add too much shaving cream, then it might be too fluffy.
All right, show me how much I should be putting in. Like about that much?
You have to shake it.
I did. It's not. I think this is empty. Let me try some of this shaving cream. Oh, that's good. That's good?
That was a lot.
That's a lot?
Okay.
All right, now what?
Now you get to wait. Okay. Next.
Spoons?
Yes.
All right, now we're just mixing it. Oh, this looks like whipped cream.
Don't eat it.
No, I'm not. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
It's not yummy.
It's not yummy. It looks delicious, but yeah, kids.
No, it doesn't. It looks horrible.
don't eat this.
Okay, now once
okay. Got it all fluffy like that. All right.
Okay, now you can add your colors.
All right, my color. What color are you going
You can do blue.
I'm gonna do blue.
I'll do
So yeah, this is just regular food coloring. How many drops?
as much as you like.
As much as I like. How about 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 drops.
I want mine to be dark.
Oh,
this
cool.
one.
Yeah, look. See, that's what it does. Look at that. Oh, this is cool. All right.
Mine is so much prettier than yours. Look at this.
Oh, that is nice. That's nice.
Okay, you want to just get rid of all the white.
So yeah, so basically you mix it until it's just completely all whatever color it's gonna be. Get rid of all the white. All
Okay,
right.
now you want to add lotion.
Lotion. All right.
Like 2 or 3 squirts.
2. Oh, I might have to turn this on. Okay. Got a pump. Ready? 1,
Whoa.
2,
Scared me. Okay, that's good.
3.
Okay. You add
1,
3, and then
2,
you mix.
3. 3 pumps. 3 pumps.
4 or
4 or 2. 2, 3, or 4 pumps. So this is not really an exact size. There's a lot of wiggle room, it seems, when you make some slime. Is that what you're
I
telling
mean,
me?
some slime you have to do exact measurements.
Like why? Which
Because
one?
like sometimes in butter slime you have to make the right measurements.
What are the different types of slimes? Butter slime,
Fluffy slime,
fluffy slime.
fishbowl slime, regular
Fishbowl slime.
slime.
What are we making right now? Regular
Fluffy
slime?
slime.
We're making fluffy slime.
Oh, and there's also foam.
Foam slime. All right. Okay.
Now we add.
Activator. So yeah, recently I just started wearing contacts, so luckily this is in full supply. Now how much activator are we putting in?
Okay, I'll show you.
Wait, can we like try, why don't we measure it on like this spoon here? Like that much? A spoonful? Don't get it any in there because I need that for my contacts. Okay, about that much or more?
We'll see. And then after that, mix. Ugh, ow. My hand.
Oh, it's a lot of work making slime. That's why I have all these like kids in a factory somewhere making slime.
Get me more of that.
Maybe they're elves.
I don't even know what you just said. But, okay.
Yeah, what else? No. All right. How much activator did you put more? More in?
Yeah.
All right. What are you looking for?
Until it starts forming into clumps.
All right. I'm gonna start squeezing some activator in there.
Well, like when it's like coming off the sides and going into the center.
Oh, I see. I see. You mean like that?
Yeah.
And they'll start sticking to one another together?
Yeah.
What? Like this? Oh my God, are you telling me I'm gonna use all my contact solution tonight?
Oh my God.
How much
No.
do you need? Just a little tiny bit?
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Extra?
You're just trying to get it to form, and then if it's a little sticky, but it's like very like slime formish, not that.
Does it need to be more sticky?
No, it has to be more forming. Like, see, it's kind of forming, but like when it's like this, you can't. It's still like sticky, like drizzling.
So I need more activator is what you're telling me?
And then once it starts to form, it's kind of hard to mix.
I think I won't need to
See,
go to
look.
the gym. Oh, that's what I'm looking for? This is too not.
No.
No,
Look,
no.
this is what it's supposed to kind of look like. You can do the finger test.
Oh, I see.
Mine is actually working. Yours is not.
All right, I need more activator. I need more some baking soda. You think? Let me try a little bit.
That's good.
Oh my! Oh my God! All right, let's see.
Once it starts to form, you can kind of go in with your hands. But if it's still a little sticky, you can add a little more activator.
Now, oh, I see what's happening. Look. All right, hold on. It's starting to work. Oh yeah, it's getting there, kid. It's happening. It's happening. Oh, look now. What do you think? Is that looking like slime?
Yeah. Once it forms and it's not sticky, you can take it out and set the bowl aside and like start playing with it. You add activator.
And it makes it less sticky. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, that's actually what I exactly.
Look at this. Look at me.
You shouldn't really pick it up yet.
Really?
Dad! Bad boy!
Oh, come on, you're getting yours in mine. Oh, no.
Put it back in the bowl.
I can't get it. Oh, man. Is there ever a point where it's not doing this? Where it's not, like, breaking apart?
Yeah, see?
So you're saying the more you play with it, does it get like that?
Yeah, but I was just poking my slime.
Yours came out really good. How come yours is, like, perfect?
Do you want me to help you?
No, I want you to show me. Why is mine all sticky to me? Is that the problem? All right, good. All right, good.
I'm really happy with my slime. I'm just gonna add a little more lotion because it's kind of not that stretchy as I wanted it to be. I mean, it can get very sticky if you add a type of and some types of lotions. If you have a slime and you add some lotions, some lotions, they make the slime very sticky. I don't think that's your case, because...
Alright, we're getting there. Alright, hold on. I think finally I can just...
Put it on the table. Here, let me just...
Let me get a little more activator.
Oh, yours is really good. Oh my god, yours is so much bigger than mine.
Yeah.
It's very warm. I wonder why. Feel mine.
Oh, yeah, yours is like really, like, mine's like puffy.
Yeah, yours is very puffy because that's the activator. Remember? I mean the shaving cream.
Oh,
remember?
that shaving cream I put in there. Alright. Oh, I think I made my first. This is a pretty good slime, kid, right?
Third slime is a success.
Yeah. Who makes the best freaking slime?
Alexa.
Nice job, kid. Alright, well.
No,
There you have it.
No, we're making one more batch.
Alright, well, we're making another batch after this video. And,
No, we're making the video right after this.
Alright, we'll make a second video to this video. The sequel. Watch the sequel. And,
The sequels.
the sequels, right. Oh, yeah, multiples, right. What should we do? I want to try the glow-in-the-dark one next.
Okay.
Alright, well,
We have to share the glow in the
listen,
dark.
we gotta tell everybody to like the video, subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to check out my channel, Alexa Rose Vlog.
Alexa Rose Vlogs, yes, and Whitebeard Ann.
Vlog. Not
Vlog. Oh,
vlog.
yeah, just vlog. I'll put a link below in the
Yeah,
description.
she will.
Alright, thanks, my special guest star, my daughter. Peace out, everybody.